Welcome to my page. Today I'm going to share a green smoky eye look for St. Patty's Day. So I know today is St. Patty's Day and it's like 10 o'clock at night, but I'm thinking that you guys might have St. Patty's Day parties this weekend coming up. So if that's true, you can always come back to this video and get some inspiration. So I'm thinking like a green smoky eye, like this green right here. I love it, so beautiful. And then like some goldeny colors. So maybe like this blondie with it. Okay, so let's have some fun here. This is really fun to me. I don't know if it is for everybody, but I love doing eyeshadow looks and experimenting. So first, I'm gonna take my Black Friday liner right here, this black one. It is a cream eyeliner, so it's going to work perfect for my smoky eye. Maybe I should like zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see better. Maybe. And I'm gonna use my line brush and just go on top of my eyelid and do my liner. Just a little bit of a wing there. And just go all the way across my lid. My lash line, not my eyelid. And I'm gonna go in the corner the whole way, okay? Now I'm going to take my wing out a little bit and add a little bit more to it on the top here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I got my eyeliner on. Do the other eye. Or maybe I should just do one eye. Should I only do one eye? Okay, let's do that. All right, so here is the liner, and then I'm going to take my Stay Spray and this brush right here. Let me clean it off. This is the super handy dandy brush cleaning tile. It's amazing. You can get it for, I think, $14. Put it in your compact. So much easier. I don't really want to use that brush. I kind of want like this. Sorry. Okay. So I'm going to spray my brush with this Stay Spray. You can use any kind, or you can use this one from Saint. Go into my green eyeshadow. This is called Emerald City. It's very pretty. And I'm just going to like smoke out this eyeliner. All the way. It's so beautiful. I feel like this is so dark. Okay, now I can see better. My screen was like really dark. Okay. So I'm just gonna go like on my lid there. And it's not like perfect, that's okay. You don't have to be like super perfect to do a smoky eye. You just have to know how to do it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the fluffy end of this brush and let me find the eyeshadow that I want to use. It's probably in this palette. This is my artist palette, so it's huge. I have so many eyeshadows in here. You don't have to have this many eyeshadows. I'm just a little bit obsessed. I have a slight addiction, so. Okay, so this is called Chai. And I'm going to just go into Chai and put that right here. And this is how you blend your eyeshadow. I had no idea until recently that this is what you do. No clue. And you just keep like blending and adding more until it looks how you want it to look. All right, now I'm gonna go back in with my green here, and I'm gonna go underneath my lash line. There we go. You can go all the way to the corner. You don't have to. Now I'm gonna take this blondie color. Oh, I felt like this would be so pretty. Okay, so here's my blondie, and I'm just gonna use my finger, I think. Just put that kind of like in the center of my lid. That's gonna give it like that pop. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again and blend these two colors together a little bit better. And you could even like take the blondie and do it like, I kind of like to have this like pop, like lighter shade out here kind of a little bit. And then blend it some more. You could even take a little bit more of the Chai. Bam. And really eyeshadow is just like adding and blending until it looks like you like it. So that's how you like it. Okay, so I got the blondie. Now I'm gonna do something like super bright in the inner corner. What should I do? I guess I could do unicorn. Okay, so I'm gonna take this unicorn. This is like a white color. And pop that on the inner corner of my eye using my multitasker brush. I feel like also your tools when you do eyeshadow is like super important. It like makes it so much easier or harder depending on what you have. So if you want to purchase any of these products, you can, or these brushes, you can purchase them through me. You just go to the link in my bio, or you can comment on this video, or you can send me a message. There are just so many ways. So many ways. Okay. just kind of like going up, blending that out. And then I'm gonna do under my brow bone, just right at the arch here. Okay, and then take my fluffy brush, blend that out a little bit more, just so it's kind of like a seamless. Pretty, huh? And now I'm going to go back in with my cream liner. Since we did that first, it was like easier to like blend things in, but you usually will have to go back and define it again so you can really see it. And I like to bring it down on my lower lash line a little bit too. Just want to make sure you have like no gaps or anything. No spaces. Okay. Wow, and I haven't even put on mascara yet. Okay, let's see. So give me some hearts if you like this look. Let me know if you try it. I think it's so pretty. I hope that I have given you some tips and maybe taught you something that you didn't know. If so, then go follow my page. I go live every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time to do a new tutorial. And if you would like to do what I do and you would like to earn 20 to 40% commission by selling makeup, which if you think about it is a lot. I mean, that can be a lot. Also, like, especially if you think about it in the perspective of selling makeup, like most people who sell makeup are like influencers, or they're like blogging or whatever. And what you make on Like to Know It and like off of the links from Like to Know It, a lot of people don't know this, but it is such a little amount. It's like dollars, if that, like cents. It's like 3%, like 5%. I'm telling you, this is 20 to 40% commission. Like, that's a huge difference. And it's just doing the same thing. It's just selling this makeup line, which I love. And you will love too if you try it. I know it. So it's honestly like a really amazing opportunity. I know I always say like 20 to 40%, but I just wanted to kind of put it into perspective because it's like, I don't think a lot of people realize that when you're selling, when you're like being like selling on social media, unless you get like a sponsored post, like you're getting like maybe 5%, maybe 7%. This is guaranteed always 20. Like, that's insane to me. Okay, so I had a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to take that out. Awesome. And then we're gonna do my eyebrows, because no look is complete without your eyebrows done. I'm gonna look like a crazy person. I made a video on how to get the perfect eyebrows. I think that was my last video, so if you want to know how to get the perfect eyebrows, what you should do, then go look for that video on my page. Should be like the last one. Okay, all done. Should I do like half my lips too? Maybe I should put some lips on. What would you guys wear for St. Patty's with green eyeshadow? I don't know. I want to do like a fun lip color. You guys, this is so beautiful. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should do like this red color. Okay. I'm gonna brush. Okay, so here I'm gonna line my lips with contour. I kind of like to like color them in a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna take this red color. This is called Saffron. It is a matte lip and cheek. One of my faves. It's super pretty. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere. Obviously, all over my lip. It goes on matte, so it kind of like stains your lips. So it's like a really pretty red color. And I'm like super picky about my reds, but I love this one. And it like stains your lips, so then it like stays on like all day. And our other lip and cheeks are more like lipstick. And like less of a stain. So this one is a little different. And I love it on my cheeks too, which is nice. Like I love a lip and cheek that looks good on both, because isn't that the goal? So if you ever need any recommendations for a lip and cheek, if you want like something specific, like if you want one that's super pigmented or like less pigmented, then you can always message me and ask, because I know about like all of them, because I slight obsession here. So these are not even all of them. They're just some of the ones that I have. Okay, so what do we think about this? I think it's so pretty. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you try it. And I hope you guys have a great St. Patty's Day. Bye.